Moscow in flames, missiles headed towards New York. Film at 11.
Okay, we're going to fire up this Jeep behind me. It's going to be like a cold start. It's been sitting for over a year. I had to buy a battery for it, this one, because this battery took a charge and this battery did not. So I had to run out and buy one this morning and replace it. There's two batteries because it's 24 volts. So it's been sitting for a while. And in a minute here, we're going to give it a shot. Okay, I don't know how well you can see that. We've got 10, 11, 12 and a half volts. Hopefully that'll start it. Let's check this one. Same thing. Okay, give us a second here. Here's the mighty F-head Hurricane engine. 24 volt alternator, giant voltage regulator. I have the waterproof spark plugs, but I had a hard time finding those parts. So what we're going to do with a quick look around. Let's check the radiator, see if we got water in here. Yeah, plenty of that red sludge. That's good. Gonna check the oil. Says full. Now we're going to adjust it. Always need to adjust the carburetor when it's been sitting for a long time. Okay, that's adjusted. Okay, let's see what happens here. Ooh. Oh, heck. Okay. Can you see there? All right, let's check stuff. Oh, we got voltage. We're almost in the green. Let's turn on the fuel. That doesn't sound all that great. Put an electric fuel pump on this years ago. Turn that off to save some power. Pull out the choke. Turn on the switch. Pump it a couple hundred times. Starter's on the floor. Look at that. Oh, I forgot to turn the fuel back on. Okay, let's give it another shot. Oh no, it's not gonna start now. Plenty of oil pressure. Charging up a storm. Almost no gas. Water temperature's cold. Sitting almost 2 years. Look at that. Okay, we'll be back in a bit. Okay, we got a situation here. Got a low tire. Got a little tappet noise. Probably got a sticky valve or a sticky lifter. So, an F-head engine is your intake valves are in the head and your exhaust valves are in the block. So it's half overhead valve, half flathead engine, and that's why it's called an F-head. So we'll see if that clears up. But it hasn't been running a long time, so I don't think I have a tire pressure gauge in. Oh, yes I do. It's a cheap one. Yeah, no pressure. Let's put some air in it. Okay. I only put 25 pounds in each tire. Now we got 20 pounds. Okay, sounds better. Getting a little warm. Don't worry about that wire. There, just hook something up that's not hooked up anymore. And we're not going any place but back and forth. Oh! Man, I don't miss doing that. Inches up to temperature. Still charging. Still got oil pressure. Oh, let's check this. Still got brakes. First gear. First gear. All right. See what we got here. Yep, it's glowing hot. Cigarette lighter works. Oh, there's a miracle. It's not a big motorcycle, just a groovy little motorbike. No, it's not a motorbike, it's a Jeep. Anyway, that's pretty much all I was going to do today. Well, that still works, huh? And that one sort of works. Don't worry about that hurting the glass. You can't hurt that glass any worse unless you broke it out. Well, that's it. Just a quick little cold start from a almost 70-year-old Jeep, 1952. 69 years old. 69 years old. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Ciao.
This is the Dumont Television Network.